This is just a quick little video to kind of append to my CaddxFPV Orca review. This is based on doing footage in 2.7K, which is running at a 4:3 aspect ratio. And I wanted to do it with, show kind of a side-by-side comparison of the video being in auto white balance, set to auto or set to daylight. And in this video, you can clearly see that setting it to off of the automatic white balance is a better choice to put it onto. Like, for instance, in this video, you'll see on the right hand side I have it set to daylight. So enjoy.